Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga flow. This is a hand-free, wrist-free, kneeling-free, inversion-free, and prop-free class. Let's go ahead and rest back. So feel the support of the earth underneath you. And allow tension to flow down and into the earth. Feel the flow of your breath in and out through your nose. And feel the flow of movement in your body as you breathe. And then you can roll to your side. And we'll make our way all the way up to standing. Going to begin with a warrior one flow. So you're going to take a step back with your right foot. Your right foot's going to be on about a 45-degree angle. Your hips are going to face front, sink down through your front left sit bone. You're going to take your hands, palms up at the level of your heart. Exhale, bring your hands forward from your heart. Turn your palms back. You're going to inhale, bring them back. Exhale forward from your heart. This is called parting the clouds. Inhale back. So imagine clearing a path from your heart forward in your life. You're also clearing any emotional stagnant energy from your heart. Then you're going to move it up to the level of your mind. So clearing your mind now. So you can think more clearly. And also you can open to intuition. You can clear your crown chakra. You can open to the voice of the divine. Let's switch legs and do this on the other side. Step back with your left foot on a 45-degree angle. Turn your hips face front. Sink down through your right sit bone. We'll do that whole sequence on the other side. Palms face up, level of the heart. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Clearing the clouds. So you're clearing your path forward to move from your heart. This is a little Qigong yoga fusion. It's how I like to roll. And then we'll clear our mind. Open up to the voice of the divine. And then you're going to turn your toes. So you're going to have your legs wide on your mat. Your toes are turning out. You're going to inhale. We'll just do the arms first. Inhale up. You're going to exhale, cross your arms in front of you. So this can create some protection. And then you're going to clear the chi, the negative chi out. Inhale up. You're going to exhale, sink down through your legs. And exhale, clear the chi. Inhale up. Exhale down. And clear the chi. Okay, and then you're going to take your feet in. Inhale up. Bring your hands into prayer position, squat back, come into a rotation. Inhale up. Sit your booty back, come into rotation for a squat. Inhale up. Exhale, rotate. Inhale up. Exhale, rotate. And inhale back up. Exhale your arms down. Let's take our feet wide on the mat again. Oops. And then turn your left toes out, your right toes in. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, you're going to sink down through your front left sit bone. Bend your left elbow over. Circle your arm around. So we're in side angle. And then you're going to bend back for a reverse warrior. So we'll go to side angle to reverse warrior. Side angle, reverse warrior. Exhale and inhale. And then let's turn our toes and do that on the other side. Sink down through your right sit bone this time. Bend your right elbow, circle your arm around in front. Exhale. And inhale into reverse warrior. And then you'll come back to center and step your feet in, and we'll go ahead and rest back in Shavasana. So just feel the support of the earth again and notice how you feel after that flow. And I'm going to sit up and read you a poem. This poem is called The Fullness of Things by Jeff Foster. We will sit for hours together and let the scenery of life break our hearts into millions of tiny little pieces. And then we will watch, astonished, as in the space between two heartbeats, the very same scenery fuses those pieces back together again. As if we'd been kissed by life. And then we will go for coffee, or do the dishes, or pick the kids up from school, or dance in the celebration of the fullness of things, our hearts pregnant with bittersweet mystery. So give yourself a thumbs up for completing the class. Put "I cleared the path" in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more classes like this. I'd love it if you would share this class with friends. And remember to go to melissawest.com/begin to receive the whole beginner challenge. And remember also that our members are getting an ad-free version of this 30-day challenge. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as strong as our mountains, and may you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. Om Shanti, Namaste.